Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today we're making a cheesy, savory, pull-apart classic that's impossible to resist, Parmesan-Bacon Bubble Bread. It's soft, buttery, packed with bacon, and perfect for brunches, parties, or cozy family dinners. Before we get started, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing our viewers from all around the world. And don't worry, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. Here's what you'll need to make this cheesy, pull-apart bacon bread everyone will love. Start by cutting each biscuit into quarters. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix everything until even, then mix in the Parmesan, mozzarella, and bacon. Okay, so first, coat a bundt pan or a deep baking dish with butter. Next, coat the rolls in the melted butter evenly, and just press them down gently. Then coat with the cheese mixture to coat. Then, bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until it's golden brown and bubbly. Let the bread cool for a few minutes before flipping it onto a serving plate. Now, sprinkle with a little extra Parmesan and some chopped parsley. Just tear and share. Seriously, every bite is soft, cheesy, and totally full of smoky bacon flavor. And that's it. You've made Parmesan-Bacon Bubble Bread. It's warm, cheesy, and honestly just perfect for any occasion. The full recipe is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another tasty recipe from How to 360.